Hi, it's Sarah. We have a brand new kit available at both South Fayette Township Library and Bridgeville Public Library, just in time for fall. It's a string art pumpkin kit. And I got all the materials from the Wooden Loft, which is located off of Washington Road by Portman's Farm and Bee's Restaurant. The Wooden Loft has been a great supporter of the library. The only thing you'll need to add to make this project, you'll have to have a hammer, and I suggest that you get a magazine or some kind of booklet that you can lay on your work surface in order to protect it. And here's what's in the kit. We've provided a large sheet of paper to work on to protect your work surface. You'll get a 6x6 block of wood, some stain, you'll get sandpaper, a pair of rubber gloves, a little rag to apply the stain to the wood, a pumpkin template, 20 nails, and a small bag of string. This is my project so far. What you're going to want to do is take some time to really sand all the edges and surfaces of your wooden block. The more time you take with this sanding process, the happier you're going to be with the end result. Then you just put your gloves on and use the rag to apply the stain, and you go with the grain and make sure you let it dry completely. You lay your template on top of the wooden block, and you're going to nail your 20 nails in wherever there's a small dot on the template. Looks like this. The next step, I'm just going to rip this piece of paper out and start adding my string. We'll be back to show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, here's what my final project looks like. I hope you enjoy making this string art pumpkin. There are instructions included, and make sure that you request your kit today. Bye.